Hello, my dear friends. This is Rajesh Mahapatra. I hope all of you are doing well and happiness. In this session, I'll be telling you about the concept of what is instance group in Google Cloud Platform, why it is required. Apart from this, I'll guide you where can you use the instance group in Google Cloud Platform. Let's get started. In Google Cloud Platform, an instance group is a collection of virtual machines that you can manage as a single entity. There are two types of instance group in Google Cloud Platform as Managed Instance Group MIG and Unmanaged Instance Group. Managed Instance Group are type of instance group that is managed by GCP. This means GCP will automatically create, manage and scale the VM instance in MIG based on your requirement. MIG are good choice for application that require high availability and scalability. Unmanaged instance group are a type of instance group that you manage yourself. This means you are responsible for creating, managing and scaling the VM instances in the unmanaged instance group. Unmanaged instance group are good choice for application that have a specific requirements that cannot be met by MIG. There are a number of benefits to using instance group in Google Cloud Platform, including ease of management. Instance group make it easy to manage a large number of VM. Scalability. Instance group can automatically scale up or down the number of VM in the group based on demand. High availability. Instance group can help improve the availability of your application by automatically detecting and replacing unhealthy VMs. Reduce cost. Instance group can help reduce cost by automatically scaling down the number of VM in the group when demand is low. Guys, as you can see here, why is an instance group is required in Google Cloud Platform? You know guys, instance group play a crucial role in managing virtual machine instances in Google Cloud Platform. They offer several advantages that make them an essential tool for organization operating in the cloud environment. Streamline management. You know guys, instance groups simplify the management of large number of VM instances. By grouping VM together, you can easily perform action like starting, stopping, updating, configuring multiple VM at once. This centralized approach streamlines management and reduces the overhead associated with maintaining a vast network of VM. Scalability and elasticity. Guys, instance group enable you to scale your infrastructure up or down based on your demand or workload changes. You can define auto-scaling policies that automatically add or remove the VM from the group based on metrics like CPU utilization or traffic volume. This scalability ensures that your application always have the resources they need without incurring unnecessary costs during a period of low demand. High availability and fault tolerance. Instance group help improve the availability of your application by automatically detecting and replacing unhealthy VM. If a VM fails, the instance group will automatically recreate it, ensuring that your application continues to run without interruption. This fault tolerance protects against the hardware failures and ensure that your application remain available even during the unforeseen event. Guys, the cost optimization. Instance group contribute a cost optimization by enabling efficient resource allocation. By grouping VM together, you can ensure that you are using the right amounts of resources for each workload. Additionally, auto-scaling policies help prevent over-provisioning, ensuring that you only pay for the resources you actually use. Load balancing and traffic distribution. Instance group can be used with the load balancer to distribute traffic across the multiple VM. This traffic distribution ensures that your application is responsive and can handle the sudden spike in traffic without overloading individual VM. Guys, now I hope so you can understand why is an instance group is required in Google Cloud Platform. Now I'll guide you where can you use the instance group in Google Cloud Platform. Instance group in Google Cloud Platform can be used in a variety of scenarios to manage and deploy the VMs efficiently and consistently. Here some of the specific examples of virtual machine where the instance group are commonly used. As you can see here guys, web application, microservices architecture, stateless application, dev and test environment, CI/CD pipeline and more. Guys, you know instance group are used to deploy and manage the multiple instances of web server that serve content to users, load balancer and distribute incoming traffic across the instance for improved availability and performance. Microservices architecture. In a microservice architecture, each microservices can be deploy its own instance group. This allows for independent scaling of different parts of the application based on demand. Stateless application. Instance group are well suited for stateless application where each instance can handle the request independently without relying on shared state. This allows for easy scaling and replacement of instances. As you know guys, in the dev and test environment, you can use the instance group to create and manage development and testing environment, ensuring that they can easily replicate and scale as needed. You know guys, in the CI/CD pipeline, instance group can be used to dynamically provision, build a testing environment as part of the continuous integration and continuous deployment pipeline. Running a batch jobs. Instance group can be used to run batch jobs that need a lot of compute resources. Hosting databases. Instance group can be used to host databases that need to be highly available. Manage instance group. MIG are the most common type of instance group in GCP. They are managed by Google and they provide the number of features that make them easy to manage and scale. Unmanaged instance group are more basic type of instance group in GCP. They are not managed by Google. They do not provide the same features as MIG. Now guys, I hope so you can understand where can you use the instance group in Google Cloud Platform. Thank you and have a great day and see you in the next session.